Hi, Leah. Good morning. Oh, God bless you. God bless you. Are you looking at the morning light? Are you looking at Mama? Are you looking at Mama? Hi, Leo. Hi, Leo. What are you doing? Are you strengthening your neck? Yeah. Yeah, you're doing a good job. Yeah. You looking at the birdies? Where's the birdies, Leo? Oh! I think you have allergies. Do you have allergies, Leo? Do you have allergies or something? Oh. You see Bluey? That's Bluey. That's Bluey down there. Yeah. He's your little friend. He's falling down the hole. Let me fix you, Leo.